In the articles, we are looking at the 5 possible relationships that can exist between living things. You will only have 1 or 2 of these relationships. Remember to write the name of the article you chose, write the relationship you think is in the article, and to describe it in detail in the larger box. Predator-prey relationships are fairly simple. One organism is eating another. Cooper's hawks, you might see them flying around looking to eat the smaller birds in your yard. In competition, members of the same species are going to fight over limited resources. This time of year, they might be fighting over territory or mates. These grackles are fighting by trying to look big. In a mutualism, 2 completely different species are helping each other. Hummingbirds have evolved to have long, thin necks and tongues to reach into very specific flowers. The flowers have changed their nectar just for the hummingbirds. In a commensalism, one organism is helped and the other is unaffected. Hummingbirds prefer to nest below hawks. The hawks don't go after the hummingbirds because they're too small, but the hummingbird is protected from more mid-sized birds. In a parasitism, one species helps itself by hurting another. One parasite is the cowbird, which doesn't even raise its own kids. It lays its eggs in the nest of other birds, and they raise their chick for it. Cyclical things reoccur in revolving cycles. Many cycles in nature are cyclical and predictable. Flu season is predictable, but so are longer cycles like ice ages and global warming. Ice ages and global warming track closely with carbon dioxide levels, which is why that blue line shooting off towards the sky on the right is troubling. To get ready for Chapter 19, I'd like you to take the Open Note Chapter 19 Terms quiz. Remember, you are supposed to be looking at the definitions as you take the quiz. It's just a way to prove that you read them. If you want to get a little bit ahead, watch the Amoeba Sisters video, which covers the carbon and nitrogen cycle. We'll also be looking at the water cycle and succession later on. Remember, do what you can and do your best. And if something doesn't look right, just email and ask me. Have a great day.